guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have with us a special guest, Miss Tina Chai.
Hi! Thank you for having me.
No problem. And you guys would never believe how we met. How did we meet, Tina?
Through Instagram!
Yeah, so you guys, you never know. You see, when you have food in common, you could make a lot of new friends, right? And today what we will be doing is trying some Japanese snacks and candies from Japan. So this should be interesting. So let's take a look inside. So we made sure to have some water, you know, just in case the flavors are not, you know, to our liking. But let's see what we have. Alright guys, so as you could see, I cannot understand anything here. Tina, you understand anything on any of them?
Not at all.
Nope, but they look interesting and they look tasty. So let's get started. Alright, so what do you want to try first?
Alright, well, this one looks interesting, which is, it says Lipton Tea. Well, I'm assuming it's Lipton Tea.
Like
and I like tea, so...
And is that popcorn or peanut? I don't even know.
I'm not sure, but this is what it looks like.
Let's find out. Let's rip it. Let me see what. And there's a book with it also that actually tells you what the things are in English, but we're trying to figure them out without it. So let's see.
Oh, it actually does say popcorn on it. So.
Oh, well there you go. And I love popcorn, so like I feel like I know how this tastes.
Oh.
Yeah, this is it. I feel like it's going to like. You have that tea taste. It almost tastes like caramel popcorn.
It does. But with a hint, the tea is like a sweet milk tea taste.
Yeah, that's right. It's good though. If anybody knows me, I love popcorn. Really do. Alright, so what's next?
Well, you can do the next one.
Let's try this one because it says peach. I feel like it's melted though. It feels like a gummy. But this box, honestly guys, was ordered, and because of COVID it took forever to reach. So let's see. I feel like this is melted though, like I can feel it. Smells really nice. Yep, melted.
Aww.
Smells strong though. The peach is really strong. So guys, this has melted through the journey of reaching Jamaica. So I was trying to see if we can hold this a second. Oh yeah. Alright, so we're just going to squeeze it like this and then try it. I love it. Oh gosh. This is really nice. I mean, it would have been nice to know what it looks like originally, but this is nice.
Reminds me of the peach rings.
Yes, that's what I was trying to remember, what it tasted like. Yes.
This is good.
This is really nice. This is really good. So I think so far that's my favorite.
Yeah.
If you were supposed to rate these things, let's try that.
Okay.
How much would you rate the popcorn?
Probably 8 out of 10. I actually really like it.
I agree. I would have probably said 9 on the popcorn.
And then for the peach, probably 8.5.
Yeah.
Around that, yeah.
I agree with you on those. Alright, so let's try.
Alright.
What are you thinking?
We could try this one. This one looks... Have you ever had bubble tea before?
I have never. I've been dying to try it.
Really?
Is it good?
I love it. I make it a lot.
Oh yeah? You have to tell me how to make it because I have no idea how to make it.
But this actually reminds me of bubble tea with the pearls at the bottom and then the milk, the drink on top, and then you have the straw. So this is what it kind of...
So I'm assuming it probably tastes like that. Hope it looks like it. Let's see. Let's see, guys. Oh, it's like, I don't even know what.
It looks like gummies.
Yeah. Everybody if I smell it. I don't even know what this smells like though. It is gummy though, guys. Like really gummy.
It's like a harder gummy. Not sure what it tastes like.
Yeah, I wonder if something was supposed to like do with it.
Actually, it kind of tastes like the milk.
It tastes
Like hardly, but like in the end, that's the flavor you get.
Well, I guess maybe that's what they were going for. So if anyone has ever tried this, what's the name of it? You said
Bubble milk tea
let us know in the comment section.
or milk tea with bubble, whichever one.
All right. So let us know if you've tried it, and I need to try it too.
You should rate it.
For this one, I'd maybe say like 6, 7. I don't know what it is, so 6 or 7, anywhere there.
Yeah, I would say.
But the gummy is really like hard gummy. You'll be there chewing for a while.
I agree. Yeah.
All right, so let's try this because this is something. Well, I'm not sure if that's what's in it, but I've always seen these. I think they call them mochi. Mochi, right? Never had one before. Have you ever had it? Is it good?
I love mochi.
Oh yeah? Well, let's see if these are any good. You see, I've been looking for just some semblance of English on this. Oh no. Is this how they're supposed to do? Or they got this much?
No, I think they got
It says this is some kind of cinnamon, right? Cinnamon.
cinnamon roll.
Yeah, I'm assuming
Maybe it's a
cinnamon flavor.
roll.
But these two also got a little smudge. It smells like coffee.
I'm not sure.
Alright guys, so I'm not sure.
Oh, these are kind of dried up.
Yeah. It smells like coffee. I don't know why. You don't smell that?
I do because the label, the box also have a
I
like
thought
a
it was
cup
more
or latte.
cinnamon. Oh yeah. Smart.
If there's any no English.
Yeah, I don't know if they're supposed to be this soft. Are they normally this soft?
Not really.
Okay, well let's see. Alright guys, so this, you finish it?
Yeah, because we were.
Alright guys, so this tastes like, I don't know, coffee?
Like really,
I don't know if it's really.
it's like kind of bitter in the end. Has a bitterish taste. What do you think?
This is like a 3 for me.
Yeah. Like
Not feeling this one, guys.
Not at all.
The outside doesn't have much taste either. Everything is really in the filling, but yeah, that can stay. That can stay right like over there.
Alright, so
You pick next.
I guess I'll go for this one. This kind of reminds me of the chalk candy as a child. Did you eat that in the stick?
With this, yeah.
So this
Oh, I
kind
love
of
them though. I hope it tastes like it. You want one? Yeah.
Oh, she's like, taste it.
Let's see, guys.
There you go.
I don't think I can reach. Oh, they're really hard to like it. Not what I was expecting.
They kind of remind me of the sweetheart candy. Is it called
Right.
sweetheart? The heart.
With the Valentine's candy, I call them, with the writing on it.
Yes, it kind of reminds me of that.
But it really caught me off guard in terms of the melting. Like, I think
Yeah.
it was in it. Melt.
It's gone.
But I like it.
I
I'd
do
give it
too.
like a 9. I like
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
I don't know how much you can eat at once, but it's good. That one
It
is
is
see
good,
what we
yeah.
have next. Your pick.
Alright, so let's go with this one, which is,
We don't know.
we don't know yet. A banana. It's a
banana.
banana flavored, probably a gummy again.
I like banana flavored stuff, so I'm hoping it's good. Please don't disappoint.
Oops.
Alright, stretches.
Oh.
Why does that look like it has something in the middle? No?
Yeah, it does.
Yep. Looks like chocolate.
Oh, that
Is it?
That should taste good.
Is it though? Yep. It smells like banana. Like
It does.
so. Let's see.
Banana gummy with chocolate.
Exactly. It's not the regular banana flavor I was expecting or that I used to, but it still tastes good.
I like it.
I give this one an 8.
Yeah, I'll give it an 8.
This one's not bad. Leave a nice aftertaste.
It does.
All right, so I wanted. What is this now? Oh,
it's one of the ones that you make. Maybe you don't have to do that.
so we
That
can
would
leave
take
this
time.
one. Yeah,
Well, you can still show them, but
we can probably do this maybe last or after, probably if it don't get bad. All right, so let's see how that one plays out. So what's this? You tend to find the English on there. I don't think
There's
nothing.
nothing.
This one, no. Alright guys, so there's just this happy emoji on this, so let's see. But his tongue is green, so I'm wondering if it has something to do with the color of what's in here or the flavor. I guess so. Like as I open this though, I smell it.
It looks like a green.
Yeah, like a green thingy gum.
Oh, it could be a gum. Oh, sorry.
Yeah,
I'm
that's
outside.
why. I was like, yeah, this looks like gum.
Yeah.
Like bubble gum. What's this flavor? It's a very popular flavor. Sour apple?
No, it could be. It's not sour, but it has that.
Yeah, I love this. This can get a 10 from me. And it has a minty taste in the end too. You taste it?
A little bit, yeah.
This is nice. So, which one do you think? This or this? Would you try to do this after?
I did this one, so
That's a pretty package.
it's cute.
I feel like that thing is enjoyable.
So, from the feels of it, feels like another jawbreaker.
Okay. Should be
It's
interesting.
opening.
Is that chocolate?
It looks like chocolate.
Like Bobby. Is Bobby there? Yeah. Alright. Look. Looks like Bobby. Does it smell like Bobby? Ow.
I don't know if I can
It's tough? Maybe it has the like peanut or something. You can try it. Or just you try it since it's more chocolatey. I don't know if I want to try that. If you have to go through all of that to crack it, I feel like it's, as you said, like a chocolate. Where's the package? Like a chocolate, which is like
It's very hard. Like the other
like the
candy.
other stuff. But is it chocolate?
No, it actually has a.
Yeah, there's no English on it.
I could always read the.
Oh yeah, we're going to do that. Tell me what you
After.
think it tastes like first. And then I tell you what it is. Because I think I almost finished it.
I'm not even sure. I don't think I've ever had this flavor or taste before.
Well, I guess this is exactly why you're having it. It's called Super Chameleon, which is what is on it. So it says, like a chameleon whose aim is to trick and deceive, these hard candies do just the same with your taste buds. So that's why she could be. That's actually interesting. Yeah. It says it starts as a cola candy. As it dissolves, the flavor and the color change to reveal a different flavor. What new flavors do you taste? This is interesting.
Okay, I'm not sure if it tastes like the cola.
You got the cola taste? Yeah. Tell me the flavors you've gotten so far.
I don't know.
My tongue green?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, so the gum that we had is actually green tongue gum. So the aim of that was to paint your tongue green with that bubble gum. Tastes nice though. Alright. I'm waiting for it to finish the flavor. If anything else, no?
Nothing new.
But it tastes okay, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, good. So I ended up seeing what this is, but we could tell from the package. What do you think? Like, this is a giveaway.
What
I wonder what this could be. Guys, comment if you could really figure out what possible snack this could be. Alright? But you know, seeing it at first, I thought it was, I never saw these. So I thought it was maybe another pearls.
Oh.
But this is like a chips, almost like a
Doritos.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna like this. Like, I have to say, please don't disappoint when I feel like I'm gonna like something. You want some of the chips, mommy? You want some of the chips?
Oh, it's now pink.
Oh, I figured it would have changed it. From you say it never tastes like chocolate. I figured it must be. Why is it so much chocolate? Oh, it's good. I got it. Got it. Yeah, this is like, this makes me feel like I eat something from Chili Toast.
And it does have a Mexican guy, emoji on it.
Exactly, and this Doritos like, sorry. See, oh, look at that. That just like, alright, so let's try it. Cheers.
Cheers. Literally a corn flavored corn chip.
Yep.
I like
I
it.
feel like they threw corn on it. This is really, I love corn flavors. So
Me too.
I give this a 10. This is nice.
I like it. It's a 10. No, I'm good.
Yeah, this is really nice.
I'm actually quite surprised how good it tastes.
It actually tastes like real corn.
Like sweet corn on it.
Yeah.
You
You
like
like
it?
it?
Wow.
It's real. How much you give that? 10?
I think that's probably like one of my favorite.
Yeah. This is, oh, I think this has no past this.
I think so
Yeah.
too.
This is really, they should sell these things here, you know.
They should.
This is actually something I've seen online before. This is actually energy drinks.
Oh really?
Do you have any allergies to it? So from your seat. Oh, you want some? Alright guys, so we're gonna try the energy drinks and see.
So you've had this before?
No, I've never had it.
Oh.
I've just seen it before. That's how I knew it was an energy drink. But let's see. I've never had a Japanese energy drink before. I hope it doesn't like. Oh,
Busy.
I smell like Red Bull.
I haven't had energy drinks in so long.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So I'm going to start.
That's good.
Alright, cheers. Let's see. Tastes like Red Bull. No? Tastes like Red Bull. But
It's
it
very
has,
fizzy.
Yeah, because
Very,
that's why
very
I can't
fizzy.
just inhaled it too much.
Actually, it's so fizzy that when you breathe in, you're
That's
breathing
why-
in fizz.
You guys saw the choke or the cough, whatever.
It's interesting.
It has an aftertaste. Honestly, it's not red. Is it red? It tastes like one of our energy drinks though.
I can't even tell you because I don't drink them.
I think it's Red Bull. The aftertaste though is not so pleasant.
It tastes. It reminds me of a very diluted cola champagne.
Yes, that is it. But the aftertaste at the end,
Yeah,
it has a, I don't know.
like an
I don't know if it's bitter.
artificial.
Yeah, but I wonder if it's like, I don't know what it's name that they use in
Splenda?
the energy drinks.
Oh, I don't.
Or no, that is it. I think that is it. The fake sugar. Yeah. Yeah. So that one, guys. Yeah, it's okay. That's like another 5 for me, right there. Yeah, 5. Everybody knows I love fizz, but I don't like the aftertaste.
Yeah.
But I will let you guys know. So we have some more snacks here. We actually tried them, but that sort of got cut. So we're just going to retaste, I guess, for you and give you an idea of what the flavors are. See, apparently this was good because she wants more.
Our guest likes them.
Yeah. Let me take out one for her.
Oh.
So guys, this is a cheese curls, caramel flavored.
Yeah, so it's a caramel corn, and I thought the texture kind of reminded me of like a cheese, like the Funcy cheese tricks,
Right.
but with a
Like
caramel
a sweet flavor.
Mm-hmm.
It was really good.
Mm-hmm.
Still is.
Now that I'm tasting it again, it almost has like a hint of coffee. I don't know if you get that.
I don't get a coffee. I can see why you get coffee though, in a sense, but what do you say, a hint?
Mm-hmm.
You're actually right, you know.
We can't even read the ingredient list if there is coffee.
But this is good.
It's very good.
This gets, or this got, and what was it, 8?
Yeah, probably like
Yeah, it was
8,000.
8. It was really good. Of course, yeah. And then when we finish, we'll actually tell you which one was pretty much our favorite snack from this box. So this one, I don't even know if I want to taste it again, but I will. Maybe I'll get a different...
For you guys.
Just for you guys. Maybe I'll get a different tasting from it. Before it tastes like seaweed. You want piece too? I don't feel like you'd like this.
No.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
So guys, inside of these, it actually has like, you can see that it's green, which I assume is the matcha. All right, so yeah.
Here we go.
I already know, so you guys, just for you guys. Yep. Still tastes like you.
Want a napkin? Can spit it out.
No, I want you to.
I think the matcha is strong in it.
Mm-hmm.
So if you don't like matcha, I don't think you'll like this one.
I think it's like right at the start. Like
It hits you
it
right
hits
away.
you. So the hit I get is like seaweed.
Mm-hmm.
Like this big, I don't know.
Ocean flavor.
Why. Yeah, that's it. Maybe I shouldn't say seaweed. It's more, yeah.
But that's not what matcha tastes like.
Yeah, I think I need to try it outside of these to see how it is. But the aftertaste is fine. It's just the hit in your face at first. All right, and this was a jawbreaker, in a sense. You want to try it again?
Okay.
I wish it was bubblegum though, to be honest. This one was disappointing.
It was.
I feel like it looked different now, but yeah. This is good still, you know. I think I gave it an 8.
It doesn't have a.
It's not bad, but
Doesn't really have a flavor.
yeah, to me it just
It's
tastes
just
like
sweet.
a sweet. Yeah.
Like a sweetie.
So this is okay, guys. Sometimes it doesn't even really have a flavor.
Just like you're eating sugar.
Yeah, sugar ball. That's exactly what it is like. But I can't eat all of it again.
Yeah.
You know, actually eating this to the end, I wonder if there's something else.
Might be
It
a
tastes
surprise.
stronger,
That's I was thinking too.
sour. Is it sour?
I don't think it's sour.
There's a taste.
Is that there's a fizz?
Yes, that is it. See, your taste buds are better than mine. Yeah. So this is actually good when you reach the fizz. I like the fizz.
Yeah, I like the end. The initial wasn't. It was okay.
But just there. There had to be some excitement to it. It was too
It couldn't give you something
plain,
boring.
yeah.
Actually, after that fizz part, it's just
You don't change.
almost like a smooth.
I can actually break it after that.
Mm-hmm.
And inside has all the fizz.
Better than
I like
thought.
the inside part, yeah.
Mhm.
Has a little vibe going on. Follow. Sorry. Like cute nerds, right? So they're pink. But, oh,
Uh-oh.
sorry, there was a little car accident.
Truck turnover.
That's such a corny joke, though. Not coming up.
Oh. Well.
No, yeah. We know what it is.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let's just call it a day. Alright, guys, so these are really pretty. Honestly, it's like you don't want to eat them, but they're really good. Ready?
Pink pearls.
Yeah. Yeah, let me not just throw them in. Because that's exactly what I was going to do. Look at that little girl over there. She wait.
So it's just like a bubblegum flavor.
Right. For some strange reason, it tastes a little bitter to me now. I think it's something from before.
Maybe it's
Maybe
still
the
from
fizz.
the
Yeah. But what she said. And there goes the disappointment again. Like when you chew it, you're just really expecting bubblegum. But it's
no
good
bubble.
though. It's a good flavor though.
And it's not as hard as a nerd.
Yeah. That's what makes it disappointing. Because it's either you're a nerd or you're a bubblegum. Like,
You're
pick
not
one.
either.
Exactly. But it's good though. It's good. It's nice. So at least this cute truck was for, not for no reason, you know? I really like the packaging. Like, this is my favorite packaging. There it
And
goes.
even
See, it's just blocked. Don't fix though. This is idleness, guys, but just for you guys. Just so you see how innovative. Sorry. There it goes. Yay. All right, so this was actually one of the things that we gave a 10. So just so you guys can have an idea. So it has, we're assuming it's the melon on the inside. We're still not sure if it's bubblegum or not. Probably, did we figure it out? No, we didn't figure it out if it was bubblegum or not. But it is chewing candy, so we were chewing for a bit. But it was really good.
it was.
So I look forward to this. So this is why I did it last.
So it gives you bubblegum vibes, but we're still not sure if it's a bubblegum or just a chewing candy.
Yeah. But we're going to keep it going. And
We'll
see,
let you
since
know.
that was the last thing.
Thank you so much again for having me now. I really enjoyed coming out and eating all of these wonderful snacks.
It was good.
And it's something that some of the stuff I've never tried before, and I really enjoyed, and I really wish that they had it in Jamaica.
Can I tell you?
Yeah. And for you guys, if you want to follow me on Instagram, it is Eat with Tina Chai, and you can follow me for cooking. Well, I don't really do cook, but I feature some of the stuff that I cook. I don't really have demos as yet.
Yeah.
And wherever we eat as well.
Yeah. And you'll probably get videos with us eating out too, because the
Exactly.
plan is food, guys. So it's always food related. Alright, so if you guys have any questions or anything, if you want to know how to get this box, you will see all of that information in the description box. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and enjoy the rest of your day or night. Bye, guys.